Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic October Beauty Box. So let's just go ahead and we'll get started. So this is what the box looks like this month. It's this really bright blue colour, and then inside the box we get the magazine which tells us all about the products inside and how much they're worth and how to use them. And there's some other info in here as well about the other products that Lookfantastic sell, including like Espa, Balance Me, ByTerry. And then there's a section here as well which tells you all about the limited edition stuff they have out now. So there's the advent calendar, of course. I did an unboxing of that. If you haven't seen that, then I will leave that just linked in the eye. There's like great products in there, makeup, beauty and hair, makeup, skincare and hair, yeah, products. And it's worth over £460. There is 25 days, there's 25 products in that advent calendar. And there's also the beauty chest, which looks absolutely amazing. The beauty chest, like, it looks really good. They're all full size, I believe, of premium skincare and makeup products. I know there's Natasha Denona in that. There's, I think, Kevin Daquan, Elemis. Oh, there's great brands in the beauty chest, so I will leave a link to that down below because like it looks amazing. And there's also some up and coming collaborations with Elizabeth Arden and the Inky List, so they'll be out in October and mid-November. Hopefully I can get a hold of some of them and I can do an unboxing for you. And the sneak peek for November's box is the Niobe Detox Oxygen Light Cream, which is worth £16. That's it right there. Now let's go on with unboxing this month's stuff. The first thing inside the box this month is this here from GLOV. This is their soft hair wrap. So I don't really use towels to dry my hair or anything like that because I don't really like the fact that they can give you split ends. But this looks really nice and really soft, so I'll be definitely giving this a try. This is what it looks like here. So it has the brand name just right there if you can see, and it has this little button up the top here which you use once you wrap your hair in the length bit of it. You kind of like pull it up and the little bit here on this side hooks around the button like that to keep your hair and, well, keep this in place. It's microfiber, which it says that is softer, more gentle on your hair than like normal cotton towels. So I'll be giving this a go to see how I go on with this. And it says it's suitable for all hair types and it's ideal for drying hair overnight or locking in hair masks and significantly reducing overall hair drying time. So yeah, I think that would be quite good actually to use this for hair masks, like the ones you want to leave in overnight. I think I will use that for that. That would be quite good. It's very soft as well. Liking the look of this, and this is worth £14.99. Next thing we get inside is this from Starskin. This is their Eye Catcher Soothing Biocellulose Eye Mask. I've had these eye masks a couple of times. I like them, they're really nice. So you'll either get this one or you'll get the Beauty Pro Eye Therapy Under Eye Mask. They're both basically similar. It says they will brighten and rejuvenate your eye area. They will visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and dark circles. And they're both worth £4.25. So yeah, I'll just show you the picture of the other one. That's it right there if you can see that. We've had that a couple of times in the boxes as well. Next thing we get is the Bubble Tea Earl Grey Bath Tea. So this is just like these crystal stuff that you put inside the bath and they dissolve and give off like a nice scent and everything like that, and they help to really relax you in that. So it says this innovative bath product provides a delicious scent when dropped into warm water and is formulated to relieve any aches and pains for the ultimate relaxing treat. And they are worth £5.99. Next time we get inside the box I'm looking forward to using, and it's from eCooking. This is their overnight foot cream. So this is going to come in super handy for me, and the formula is yeah, it's a thick formula, but it feels quite nice, and of course it is an overnight kind of treatment cream, so obviously it's going to be a little bit thicker. So, oh, the smell of that is, oh, it's very strong. It's like a very kind of mint kind of minty scent. So let me just read that. It says here, where are we? It says, working its magic whilst you sleep, this e-cooking foot cream removes dead skin and moisturizes all at once with a refreshing eucalyptus scent and menthol to soothe and cool the skin. It's vegan and dermatologically tested. So yeah, like, yeah, it's a very strong kind of menthol scent there, and it feels quite nice actually. So I'm going to try that, apply that to my feet at night, and then put on like some socks, so like some bed socks. I think that would, like, you know, lock in the moisture and things like that. This here is worth £8 10 pence. Next thing we get inside the box is this here from Balance Me. This is their smoothing serum. So it's a bakuchiol, I don't know how you say that. So it says, our plant-based alternative to retinol improves radiance, texture and reduces fine lines and wrinkles with anti-pollution and anti-blue light protection. So yeah, sounds interesting. I'll give that a go, and it is worth £11. And then the next thing we get inside, I'm actually really looking forward to using, and it is this from ByTerry. This is the Baume de Rose. It's like a lip gloss, I believe. Let me just check. A travel friendly version of the ByTerry signature lip balm, combines luxury and protection infused with shea butter, rose flower, wax and vitamin E. It glides onto the lips effortlessly while providing a subtle shine, perfect for on the go nourishment. Okay, so it's a little kind of clear gloss from ByTerry, and oh yeah, it smells kind of rosy. God, I've got this shade on here, but I'm going to just give it my lips a quick wipe. Just going to apply a little bit of this to my lips now. Ooh. It feels really nice on the lips, very smooth and very kind of buttery. Yeah, that feels nice, but the scent is quite overpowering. Like, it's very kind of rosy, like very floral. Yeah, it's quite a strong scent actually. Usually I like my lip glosses to be like vanilla or toffee kind of scented. This one is very rose and flowery kind of scented. The scent's just a little bit overpowering, especially for like on your lips really, but I will still use it. It's a nice shiny juicy gloss there. Just apply like I think a lip liner all over my lips underneath will be quite good, just to let the gloss really pop and let my lips really stand out. But I just wanted to try it there, and so far I'm liking it. It's very smooth, like very smooth on the lips. It feels nice actually, and it's worth £14. Okay, so that's everything inside this month's Lookfantastic beauty box. Really happy about the ByTerry lip gloss. The GLOV hair wrap sounds really good, and the foot mask here from e-cooking, like I'm really liking the sound of that. So yeah, they are some really standout products in this month's box for me. I would love to know what you think about the products inside this month's box, and also if you're interested in picking up a box for yourself, then I do have a discount code which I will leave down below. I'll also leave the link to the box of course. Lookfantastic also have the advent calendar out just now and the beauty chest, so I will leave links to them down below in the description box as well, and I will leave the unboxing if you haven't checked it out already of the advent calendar. I'll leave that just up in the eye there. And remember that you can get them at a slightly reduced price if you are a member of the beauty box. I'll leave details of that down below in the description box for you. But that's it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button just down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye!